Revolutionize your operations with Nachi. In today's fast-paced manufacturing landscape, staying competitive requires constant innovation and optimization. One surefire way to gain a competitive edge is through automation, and we're excited to introduce you to the world of Nachi robots and the incredible speed, expertise, and versatility they bring to the table. As an official distributor of Nachi, Directech has experienced firsthand the game-changing impact these robots bring to production across diverse industries. Our commitment to innovation and precision is exemplified through the strategic integration of multiple Nachi robots in numerous projects. The result? Revolutionized production lines, reduced downtime, improved safety, reduced long-term costs, and elevated quality. Why choose Nachi? Precision engineered. Nachi robots are built with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring exceptional precision and reliability in every application. With over 50 years of experience, Nachi not only delivers world-class speed, but also exceptional quality. Versatile applications. Discover our range of 6- and 7-axis Nachi robots, adaptable for a multitude of tasks, from welding and material handling to palletizing, heavy-duty lifting, and collaborative operations. With payload capacities spanning from 2 kgs to 250 kgs, Nachi robots are engineered to shine in diverse manufacturing scenarios, easily adjusting to fit your unique requirements. Intuitive programming. Nachi's user-friendly programming interface simplifies the process of teaching the robots new tasks, minimizing the learning curve and enhancing overall efficiency. Whether you run a small shop or a large factory, Nachi robots can be scaled to fit your production requirements, ensuring a flexible and cost-effective solution. With a wide array in their product portfolio, complemented by Directech's seasoned experience and expertise, we're adept at identifying the ideal solution to bolster your factory's output and scale your business efficiently. At Directech, we understand that each factory is unique. We work closely with you to tailor Nachi robot solutions that align with your production goals. Automating your factory with Nachi robots is not just a choice, it's a strategic move to stay ahead in today's competitive manufacturing landscape.